Hello, I'm Trinity, Wyatt's cousin, and here he is.
Hey guys, Tanner and the Hero 4 back again. I was wondering if you guys would like this series to build a clubhouse with tools I got from Christmas and from my cousin, which is behind the camera. So, I'm currently using my Canon. I've kind of started. I just kind of cleared out some stuff, some vines that were on these trees. And so, this is going to be our hallway, and this is going to be the actual clubhouse. Here I can clear out all these right here. Clear out that. Clear out that. And yeah, so.
Let's watch him work. So right now he's just clearing out all the roots and the miniature trees, I guess. So it's really easy to get to this clubhouse because right behind the clubhouse, technically in front, it's an opening, and then the trail that goes all behind the woods into the house is how you get here, so that's pretty easy. Wyatt, do you want to tell your viewers how to cut a tree?
Okay. I'm using a hatchet, a Cobalt American Hickory hatchet. I'm just cutting little roots off. Not missed. So if you're cutting like little stuff like this, what you do is you mend it down and step on it, and just whack it with the hatchet till it cuts off.
Cool beans, yo.
Then so I'm going to cut this bigger tree. Keep whacking it till it cuts clean. And this is a very sharp hatchet, so it's not going to really be hard.
Do you have any way? Do you already know how you're going to build this clubhouse?
Yeah. I'm thinking of a lean-to style.
That's cool.
So, yes, it is in the
Are you going to buy a big piece of wood and pallets, or are you going to throw little pieces of wood to make the walls?
I'm going to cut like trees like this and cut it about here, or actually cut it about here, and then have the walls, have it so there's 2 posts on each side, so there's 4 posts, and then in between those posts, they're like this far apart, in between those posts I'm going to lay down wood, and it's going to stack up and be wall. I'm not sure about that right now.
That's not in the clubhouse, it's fun. Now while Wyatt's finishing up clearing the hallway for right now, we're going to take a look around his neck of the woods. So beside the clubhouse, it's just woods, big trees, and somebody recently, not too recently, has gone hunting, and that's their little stand thing. It's kind of weak to me. They have a chair. They look like they build like a desk, and old concrete bags holding it down. And the trail does go on from up there to down there, and it leads to a creek. Me and Wyatt like to go down there, and sometimes we look for arrowheads. Haven't been so successful, but it's like a fork, so it goes. There's another trail that goes down that way. Yep, back to Wyatt. Is this fun to you, Wyatt?
Making the clubhouse? Yeah, I love making the clubhouse. Right now I'm marking.
Mark that tree, Wyatt.
Where the hallways are. So, one side of the hallway, the other side.
Okay. So he has using a hatchet right now. That's his marking. I don't know what it looks like.
It's just a shader.
But he has tools in this Lowe's bucket. This is a camera case. Of course, he has a saw. He has a hammer, which I honestly love. I got this for him for Christmas. Yeah, it's a Work Pro. His name, well, his initials are engraved. As you can see, Wyatt is now using the saw. Why are you cutting the hallway? That is...
This is gonna be good.
No, Wyatt. Or whatever. And there's the hatchet. He has 2 boxes of nails. You all need them. And a headlamp that my dad's girlfriend's dad got for him. And he has these to cut like the briars and the little tiny things. Like...
I forgot my trowel.
Your who?
My trowel.
Do you want me to go get it?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, it's you know my first rack?
Your
I'll
first
take
rack.
the camera. Okay, well, so you know in my closet, that first rack up,
Yes.
there's a camouflage case. Open it just to be sure. Open it and make sure there's a shovel looking thing.
Okay.
Okay.
What's it called? What's it called?
Trowel.
Trowel. So right now I'm going to go get Wyatt's trowel thing. Honestly, don't know what that is. He said it's a shovel looking thing in a camouflage case. So right now we're on the way to go get that. And Wyatt's still over there building. Hopefully he doesn't get scared. Nah, he won't. But so we're going back to the house. Here we go. So we're coming up to the opening of the woods. And then, like I said at the beginning, it takes us to a field. Right here. Goes down. This field was actually used for airplanes. Because down there is my friend Angus's and Paige's house. They have a brother named Luke too. Paige and Angus both go to my school. They live with their grandfather and grandma. And his grandfather owns an airplane. And he'll fly it down this trail. It's really cool. So we're coming up on the house. Wyatt has a trampoline. It's pretty cool. There's the barn. So y'all might meet Wyatt's mom, which is my aunt. She might be in here cooking or cleaning or something. Walking into the garage. And I'm gonna be quiet for a second, so. Hi, Tiffany. What you doing? She's cooking. Yumminess.
Okay.
Oh, that's a gun. Looking for a camouflage case. Right there. Wyatt built this with his Legos. It's really cool. Yep. Okay. We're doing good on the clubhouse. There's baby.